Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
So, let's say you're posting to TikTok, using all the right hashtags, and you are getting 0 views. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone, and more importantly, this is fixable. Today we're breaking down exactly why this happens and what you can do about it. Let's start with the biggest culprit, your first 3 seconds. TikTok's algorithm is ruthless here. If viewers scroll past in those crucial opening moments, your video is essentially dead in the water. Think of the first few seconds of your video as you hook. Bad hook, slow intro, hey guys, today I want to talk about. Good hook, jump straight into value, shocking statement, or a visual that stops the scroll. The algorithm is watching. Did people stop? Did they watch to the end? Did they engage immediately? Nail this, nail your hook, and everything else becomes easier. Next up, the basics that everyone overlooks. Your video quality matters more than you think. We're talking crystal clear audio. People will scroll past muffled or echo-filled content instantly. Stable footage, shaky cameras scream amateur. Good lighting, even phone cameras look professional with proper lighting. But here's the thing, it's not about expensive equipment. Some of the biggest TikTok creators film everything on their phones. It's about being intentional with these fundamentals. Now let's talk hashtags, because you're probably doing this wrong. Everyone thinks more hashtags equals more views. Wrong. Here's what actually works. 3 to 5 hashtags maximum. I repeat, 3 to 5 hashtags max. Mix one popular hashtag with 2 to 3 niche ones. Avoid the biggest tags. Why? You're competing with millions. Research what hashtags successful creators in your niche are using. Instead of hashtag fitness, hashtag viral, hashtag FYP, hashtag trending, try hashtag home workouts, hashtag busy moms, hashtag 15-minute fitness. See the difference? You're fishing in a smaller, more targeted pond. Next is timing, and timing isn't just about when you post, though that matters. Post when your audience is active, not when everyone says to post. But here's what's really happening behind the scenes. TikTok doesn't trust new accounts immediately. You're in what I call the algorithm probation period. The platform is watching. Are you posting consistently? Consistency beats perfection. The algorithm rewards creators who show up regularly.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.